As an SDR at Service Express, there are a lot of opportunities for growth, not only within our department, but within the entire company.
Starting out as an SDR is a great way to kind of get your foot in the door, learn about the different services that Service Express does.
There's a lot to learn here when it comes to what we can offer, not only when it comes to our services, but just business acumen in general. It's taught me a lot about, the skills I would need to succeed and excel in future positions here at Service Express.
My leadership team has been pivotal, honestly, to my development in this role, enabling me in the skills that I need to learn and pushing me towards opportunities, helping me devise strategies.
My managers have done a phenomenal job to go out of their way to make time for me as an individual outside of our team and help me wherever they can. And I'm extremely thankful for the managers here at Service Express.
The people that I work with are fantastic. I regularly say that this is the best group of people that I've ever worked with.
They are the reason I enjoy coming to the office every day. Everyone is super kind, helpful. The energy that they have is infectious.
What's really important is that we're all vested in one another's success. I've been in sales positions where everything's really competitive and you have to kind of climb your way to the top, and here you're recognized by your own accomplishments, but also by how much you help the other people reach their goals.
Attributes of a good SDR in my mind would be someone who is willing to make mistakes and learn from them, is inquisitive and wants to learn more, both when it comes to what we offer as well as to what challenges our prospects are facing.
Someone that's hungry, humble, and smart. People that are down to earth and they understand that they're part of a bigger picture.
Service Express is different from other companies because they really care. They don't say that they care, you actually see it every day as you come into work. And so I think that it's just really nice to know that we're not far away from an ear that's willing to listen to us.